สวัสดีครับ
Good day, sir. The title of our innovation is Flash Flood Alarm. Heavy rains during night time lead to flood, but normally people will only aware once their house is flooded. Sometimes people are not aware about the occurrence of flash flood because it occurs on late night during the sleeping hours. Flash flood occurs very fast, which leads to loss of property, money, and life, sir. The flash flood alarm was designed so it could alert the people that the water level is rising around their property and is about to get flooded, sir. So people can save or protect their valuables before the flood water enters their house. There are two parts in this alarm system. The outdoor unit, which is installed outside the house in the drain, will measure the water level in the drain and it will signal the indoor unit wirelessly once the flood water reaches danger level, sir. The indoor unit, which is plugged in an indoor electric source, will receive the signal from outdoor unit and raise alarm to alert the people inside, sir.
Top power of our innovation made of reflective material to reflect the sunlight and heat from the container, sir. Separate partition to keep away the electric components from water. Holes to ventilate air and water from the container. Metal piece attached to floating material that conducts electricity, sir. This is the high density foam sponge which was fixed with metal plate and aluminum foil that conducts electricity, sir. Once the flood water enters the outdoor unit, the high density foam sponge will float and touches the switch poles to trigger the alarm, sir. We tested the device for a few times and made some adjustments before the device fully functioned as expected. Then we test the device again to find out the maximum gap distance between indoor and outdoor system and find out that the device can work for 120 meters in 4.02 seconds, sir. Let me show you, sir.
The current flash flood alarm system are very expensive and technical that it needs an expert to fix and run the system. The novelty and innovation of our device are simple and user friendly, can be fixed and run by anybody with less technical knowledge, small, light, portable and last longer, economical because just cost less than 10 US dollar, environmentally friendly because doesn't emit any ZRS compound, can be used with both electricity and batteries, loud and clear alarm sound, sir. Marketability and commercialization potentials of the flash flood alarm are novel, affordable, unique, reasonable price and user friendly. The materials used to build the device are cheap, abundant, unique, reasonable price, easily available and eco-friendly, sir.
This is our end product which we are planning to commercialize, sir. We spent around 9.60 US dollar to create one device. We target to sell it to people from flood-prone areas. We plan to produce 100 units for now and sell each unit for 12 US dollar. If factorize the device for mass production, maybe we can reduce the cost and sell it to 8 US dollar and below, sir. In the end, when we calculate our profit, we will get around 180 US dollar.
The device can be used with AA batteries during blackouts or power cuts, sir.
For your more information, I Let me show you, sir.
In future, we are planning to integrate a GPS system in our device, so the device can send SOS emergency message to alert the house owner whenever they are not around, sir. We purposely use the GPS system in our device because it can alert the house owner by a normal phone network signal without the help of Wi-Fi or data plan, sir. We doesn't use latest robotic, Arduino or smartphone technology because we want our device to be used by all kind of people without any age and education barriers, sir. We don't want our device to be complicated and confuse the common people, which leads to loss of property and money, sir. Our device uses radio frequency ranges between 400 MHz to 500 MHz, sir. The outdoor unit uses 12-volt battery and the indoor unit uses 240 to 250 volt electricity, sir. The battery can last long for 1 year if we use it approximately 20 times a day. That's all, sir.